Okay, it's 3DP UK here. Just had a question from one of my followers. He's obviously bought a Anycubic Kobra Max, and he has come across a bit of an issue. And he was mentioning that basically this clamp that is for the extruder cable, it doesn't seem to have the actual screw for it. Now, when I received my printer, that screw was actually already in place along with this actual clip. I found it quite strange that it was already there and not in the actual bag of screws and parts, but maybe it was just because of the fragile nature of the plastic, it could have split. Now, the bad side about this is if this was broken, it's not such a problem because you could probably 3D print something, design something, 3D print something a little bit more appropriate. But obviously, if you don't have the screw, now that's more of an issue. Now, in the paperwork, it did mention to only loosely fit this, which is why there's a bit of play. Obviously, you don't want it too tight. You want to be able to allow that cable to move freely. But yeah, when you order this, just double check when you receive that you actually get your bolt and your clip. And like I say, it won't be in the bag of parts, it will be actually on the machine itself. I had a few moments of head scratching, but it seems to be a common problem across people buying this. So yeah, just take that into consideration.